All right, so for the last 4 parts, we've really dug into the risks and the costs of getting AI wrong in customer service. But today we flip the script. We're done talking about the problems. Now we get to talk about the solution. And it's a big one. How to turn AI from a potential disaster into your single most powerful tool for building rock-solid customer loyalty.
And with that, welcome to the final part of our Explainer series, all based on that fantastic research from Virtualization Options LLC. We've laid all the groundwork, so let's get to the good part. Let's build the future.
The main idea for today is a huge pivot in how we think about this technology. We're going to explore how to take AI from being a threat to your customer relationships and turn it into your #1 loyalty amplifier.
Yeah, we have spent a lot of time on how bad AI can just completely alienate your customers and crush trust. But what happens when you harness it the right way? The rewards, they're not just small improvements, they are genuinely transformative.
This right here, this is the million-dollar question for pretty much every business leader out there. And the answer, it isn't about finding a better algorithm, not at all. It's about a completely different strategy, one that puts that human relationship right at the center of everything. So how do we actually do this? Well, the key, the real secret sauce here, is what the report calls AI-enhanced personalization. This is where AI stops being about just automating tasks and starts being a tool for creating a real, genuine connection. Okay, and the word to focus on here is equipping. See, this is not about replacing your human agents. It's about empowering them. The AI does all the heavy lifting, crunching the data so that your team can focus on what people do best, delivering that nuanced, empathetic service that makes a customer feel totally seen and understood.
So let's break down how this works in the real world. The AI is constantly sifting through every little thing, every interaction, every purchase, every single preference. It sees this huge picture that no one person ever could. And then it takes that entire ocean of data and boils it down to one critical insight that it hands to a human agent. That agent can then say, "Hey, I see you've had this problem before, and you like it when we handle it this way. Let's do that for you right now." I mean, come on, that is a total game changer.
And that is the magic formula right there. It's the perfect partnership. You're getting the best of both worlds, the raw, incredible analytical horsepower of a machine combined with the irreplaceable value of human intuition and emotional intelligence. This isn't AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans. So what does this all mean for your bottom line? How does this actually give you a competitive edge? Well, in a world that is just flooded with frustrating chatbots, taking this relationship-first approach, it basically becomes a strategic moat, a fortress around your business.
And this slide just lays it out so clearly. You've got 2 roads you can go down. On the left, there's aggressive automation. That's a race to the bottom, right? It turns what you do into a simple commodity, forcing you to just compete on price. But the road on the right, the relationship-focused approach, that lets you build a brand that people are genuinely loyal to, which insulates you from those brutal price wars.
And when you build that kind of loyalty, you are in the right to keep your pricing premium. You start attracting and keeping the best customers, the ones who aren't just looking for the cheapest deal. You become the obvious relationship alternative for every single person who is sick and tired of being treated like a ticket number. And think of the marketing opportunity here. It's huge. You can actually go out into the market and say, with total credibility, "Hey, are you tired of talking to robots? We use technology to make our people better at serving you, not to get rid of them." Wow, that message is going to resonate so powerfully with people today. Okay, so as we wrap this all up, what's the one big idea you should walk away with? The report really boils it down to a single core concept that should guide every AI strategy from here on out. It really is that simple. The future does not belong to the companies that just automate everything aggressively. No, it belongs to the ones who use technology in the smartest way, to deepen their human connections. The winners are going to be the ones who use AI to enhance their relationships, not eliminate them. And I really just want to leave you with this final quote from the report, because it says it all. Technology is an incredible enabler. It's a phenomenal tool, but it can never, ever replace the trust and the loyalty that comes from a genuine human connection. Building that relationship depth, well, that's the ultimate competitive advantage. That's the whole game.